Hey everyone! Imagine you're cruising down the road and suddenly your transmission starts acting up. Delayed shifting, rough gear changes, or even getting stuck in one gear. You pull out an OBD-II scanner, and boom, code P0999 appears. This error points to a Shift Solenoid J control circuit high, meaning there's an electrical issue affecting your transmission's ability to shift properly. What is DTC P0999? DTC P0999 stands for Shift Solenoid J Control Circuit High. Your car's transmission control module TCM sends electrical signals to shift solenoids inside the transmission, controlling hydraulic pressure to engage the right gear at the right time. If the voltage in Shift Solenoid J is too high, it can lead to erratic shifting, transmission slipping, or even limp mode. Symptoms of P0999. If your car has this code, you may notice harsh or delayed shifting, transmission stuck in one gear, limp mode, jerking or hesitation when accelerating, check engine light or transmission warning light, poor fuel efficiency. Sensor and component locations, very important. To diagnose and fix P0999, check these key components. Shift Solenoid J location inside the transmission valve body, under the transmission fluid pan. Function: controls the flow of transmission fluid to engage specific gears. Transmission Control Module, TCM. Location: usually mounted on the transmission housing or under the dashboard. Function: sends signals to engage shift solenoids and regulate gear changes. Transmission Fluid Pressure Sensor location: found on the side of the transmission near the hydraulic lines. Function: monitors fluid pressure to ensure proper shifting. Shift solenoid wiring and connectors. What causes P0999? Possible reasons include 1. Faulty shift solenoid J, electrical failure or overheating. 2. Damaged wiring or connectors, short circuits or corrosion. 3. Faulty transmission control module, TCM, sending excessive voltage. 4. Low or contaminated transmission fluid, affecting solenoid performance. 5. Bad transmission fluid pressure sensor, sending incorrect readings. How to fix P0999? Follow these steps. Step 1. Check transmission fluid. Ensure the fluid is clean at the correct level and not burnt. Step 2. Inspect wiring and connectors. Look for damaged, loose or corroded wires between the solenoid and TCM. Step 3. Test Shift Solenoid J. Remove the transmission pan to access the solenoid. Use a multimeter to check resistance, should be between 3–10 ohms. If readings are out of range, replace the solenoid. Step 4. Check the TCM. Scan for other transmission-related codes that might indicate a failing TCM. Step 5. Clear the code and test drive. Use an OBD-II scanner to reset the code. Drive for 10–15 miles to check if the issue is resolved. If readings are out of range, replace the solenoid. Final words. If you're seeing P0999, it means your Shift Solenoid J control circuit has high voltage, which can lead to shifting problems and potential transmission failure. Fixing it early can save you from costly repairs. For more troubleshooting, check out these videos. P0865, Transmission Control Module Communication Circuit Low, and P0866, Transmission Control Module Communication Circuit High. This is IG Garage, your go-to place for car diagnostics. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.